If your Samsung phone says failed to read data when enabling call waiting, then this is a network issue. So formatting your phone or updating your phone won't help you. Today I will show you what things you can do and which method helped me to solve my problem. So the first thing that you have to do is open the notification panel, enable this airplane mode, wait for few seconds, and then again disable this airplane mode. After that, try to enable the call waiting. The next thing that you will do is you will remove the SIM card from the tray, then clean the SIM card and then reinsert the SIM card again. Now for me, what helped me was I have used a prepaid card in my phone, and this prepaid card expires after a certain duration. So what happened was my prepaid card was expired, due to which there was no network connection in my phone and I could not enable call waiting. So now I have recharged my SIM card, and if you see, it will expire on March 24, 2026. So once my prepaid card was recharged, I was able to enable call waiting. Now if nothing works, then you might have a problem with the SIM card that is used in your phone. So what you do is try to check the balance or try to get data by using the MMI code as per your cellular network settings. If you are not able to check the balance, or if you are not able to subscribe for the data plan, then you might have problem with the network connection. So in that case, you have to replace the SIM card.